Hello viewers, welcome back to again my YouTube channel Hair Fashion Blast. So my dear friends, how are you? I hope you people are pretty fine, doing very well. Today I am showing you the beautiful haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I give you a brand new hairstyles of haircut and hair dye color ideas. Short bob haircuts, long pixie bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. All designs are so gorgeous, so trendy and fabulous. Guys, I am showing you the best entertaining designs of 2022. You can get ideas for my videos about color contrast. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will get the notification all of my videos. Friends, today's video has very stylish USA girls, Russian girls, American girls haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I must suggest you to watch this video till the end. Friends, if you like my videos, you can share it on your social media accounts, share it with your family members so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing collection and get unique ideas. Friends will continue to watch and support my videos. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. I love this haircut. Save your profile. So guys, please visit my YouTube channel and you will never miss any collections, any videos of my channel. And don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me, motivates me, bring to more useful content and more useful videos for you. Guys, I have uploaded different haircut designs, so you have new ideas of new haircuts and hairstyle ideas. Amazing, very stylish, plus size short bob haircuts, long pixie bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. If you are a businesswoman or as a housewife, these haircuts you look very beautiful, which is about the latest trending, very gorgeous short pixie bob haircuts and hair dye coloring ideas from all over the world that you can use to make your more personality, more charming, more beautiful. If you are a businesswoman or as a housewife, this to know about the latest haircuts and hairstyle ideas and hair dye trend in fashion, then subscribe to my YouTube channel Hair Fashion Blast. My channel publish videos that focus on new emerging haircuts and hairstyles and hair dye coloring ideas for all over the world, from both women and girls in the fashion industry from all over the world. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and Hair Fashion Blast. In today's video, you will see brand new and trendy hairstyles, haircuts and hair dye color ideas. Today's video is very special, so friends, watch my full video till the end so that you do not miss any hair cutting and hairstyle designs. And if you want to know get a pixie haircut, short bob haircuts, then you must watch the full video and take a screenshot of whatever haircut or hairstyle you like. After taking a screenshot of whatever haircut or hairstyle ideas, please subscribe my channel and share my videos with family members. You can get your haircut from any beauty salon in your area. After watching the video, you must comment in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me, motivates me, bring to more useful content and more useful videos. Okay, bye, take care.